This is a quick showdown of the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 2. Pixel 4 came out last fall. Pixel 2 came out a couple of years ago, fall. This is another secondhand Luke video, so both of these phones have been used. In fact, this phone was purchased used, and then the screen broke, and then I actually replaced the screen, so now it's alive and working again, which is awesome. Let's see, first impressions. One thing that I think Google's really improved on is the bezel. I commented on this earlier, but there's a large forehead on the Google Pixel 4, but that makes sense because there's a Soli radar in there. But it does not make sense at all on the Pixel 2. It's like that forehead's huge. It's just that big portion of the screen that's not being used. Same thing on the bottom. Other things that I really like is this swipe up gesture to close out of apps. Like that's nice. I love that. You know, it doesn't make sense having the buttons on the bottom anymore. It's just not as intuitive. Let's talk about unlocking the phones. So Pixel 4 face unlock, it's fast. It is so fast and so easy. You don't even have to think about it. Pixel 2, you can either use your on-screen options, or you've got the fingerprint sensor in the back that you can use. Pros and cons, right? You got a fingerprint, which is pretty secure, but it's a lot harder to get to since it's on the back. You'll notice it's a little bit, well, Pixel 4 is a little bit spicier, you could say. They've improved the design, definitely. They're about the same thickness. I'd say the Google Pixel 2 is a little bit thinner feeling. However, this is just impressions. So it's kind of what they look like side to side. Camera, you've noticed you got two cameras now and better flash. And then you've got this hyperspectral sensor, which is cool for night and other things. Anyways, that's basically it. The camera's improved a little bit better, but there we go. It's your short and sweet comparison of the Google Pixel 4 versus the Google Pixel 2.